AirPlay not working on your Vizio Smart TV? Maybe your iPhone or iPad can't connect, or the option just won't show up. Don't worry, step-by-step fixes to get AirPlay working again on your Vizio TV. Step 1. Check compatibility first. Make sure your Vizio TV actually supports AirPlay. Most 2016 and newer SmartCast TVs do. But if you have an older model, AirPlay may not be available. Step 2. Connect to same Wi-Fi. AirPlay only works when your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and your Vizio TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and your TV's network settings to double-check. Step 3. Enable AirPlay on Vizio TV on your Vizio remote. Press the Home button, go to Extra, then select Apple AirPlay and make sure it's turned on. Step 4. Restart devices. Restart both your Vizio TV and your iPhone or iPad. Sometimes a quick reboot clears out connection issues. Step 5. Update software on your Vizio TV. Go to Menu System, check for updates and install any available update. Also, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Step 6. Reset AirPlay settings. Last resort. If it's still not working, reset AirPlay settings on your TV. Go to Menu, System, Reset in Admin, Reset to Factory Settings. Remember, this will erase all settings, but it often fixes stubborn AirPlay problems. Following these steps, AirPlay should be back up and running on your Vizio Smart TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.